Team BFF! Woo! We're on our first scout to our 48-hour film location, and we have Bailey here with us.
Hi, Mom!
Jess, we have Jessica, our location expert.
You're gonna need to take a left up here pretty soon.
And then I have Anthony, my little brother, for protection. Until then, guys, we will catch up with more adventures, and we'll talk to you soon. Woo! Oh, this is awesome. Look at those chilies.
So cool.
Right?
Oh, this is so cool. We have to find a way to use these in our video.
Yes.
Attack of the killer space chilies.
This place is incredible.
Sorry, we didn't know anyone was here. Do you mind if we look around?
Y'all can do whatever the fuck you want.
Man, this place is insane.
Wow. What do you think this place was? I don't know, but it definitely fits the bill.
I don't know, guys. I don't want to do this anymore. I think we should just leave. What the fuck, asshole? You think that's cool, you redneck fuck?
Oh, as a matter of fact, I think it's just poetic.
You know, I think we're just gonna go.
Bitch, if you're looking for somebody who cares about what you think, you found the wrong guy.
Anthony, kill this motherfucker!
I'm sorry, did you say something about killing me? Because that's what I thought I heard you say. Ladies, without further ado, it's showtime. What do you think, Ronnie? I think this one might be a keeper. I'll bet. She has a special gift. All right, here's the deal. One of y'all is gonna leave here with a hell of a story. The other two, not so much. The piss in the punch bowl is that y'all each have to tell me why you should live and your friends shouldn't. Now, I gotta take a leak, so you have until the time I get back to make up your minds.
Why are you doing this? What have we done?
In the next few minutes, it ain't about what you've done. It's about what you're gonna do. And the only thing that can save you is your own goddamn selfishness.
I'm not fucking dying like this. I'm not fucking dying for you. This is your fault. This is all your fault. You brought us here. You brought us here. If anyone should die, it should be you.
What? You're the one who asked me to join, fucking bitch.
Shut up, you computer geek, like we need more of you in this world.
I'm an IT technician, you fucking waitress. Well, you
What
can
the
go
fuck?
join
People
us.
die. I mean, we're going to die. Do you not even understand you?
Let's have it.
I have a good career.
Not good enough. All right, what's the best you can do?
I'm a good person. I don't deserve this. I don't
All right,
deserve
all right.
this.
All right. It's up to you.
I'm a mother to a beautiful 2-year-old daughter. What is she going to do with them?
All right. Looks like you get to go free. Just kidding.
Shit, Jacob, she looked like a fucking volcano.
Ronnie? Okay. Well, looks like it's just the two of you.
You said she'd let one of us live.
Oh, I'm not breaking any promises, honey.
You boys don't take too long with this one. I'm gonna go get supper started.
By the way, Jessica, why do you insist on being tied up with all these people when we do this shit?
You got your thrills, I got mine.
Ronnie, go help your sister. I got this one.